I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I'm excited to bring you along with me on today's adventure. Today, we're heading to Fakarava Beach in French Polynesia. This hidden gem is located in the heart of the South Pacific and boasts crystal clear waters, pristine white sand, and a tranquil atmosphere that will leave you feeling rejuvenated. Before we start our walking tour, I want to ask you to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me a lot in creating more content like this for you.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
Now let's get started. It's always great to connect with locals and learn more about their way of life. One of the unique features of Fakarava Beach is the pink sand. Yes, you heard me right. The sand here has a pink hue, giving the beach a romantic vibe. It's truly a sight to behold and makes for some incredible photo opportunities. We continue walking along the beach and come across a small beach bar. The locals here are friendly and hospitable, and we enjoy some of the freshest seafood we've ever tasted. As the day comes to an end, we're treated to a beautiful sunset. The sky turns orange and pink, creating a picturesque backdrop to this already stunning location. We take in the moment and reflect on the beauty that surrounds us. So that's it for today's walking tour of Fakarava Beach in French Polynesia. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me on this journey. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought of the video. Also, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on my upcoming travel adventures.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.